SimpliSafe outdoor camera. What happens when AI guards your home while you sleep? Ever felt like your security camera just watches crime happen instead of stopping it? You check the footage after something's already gone wrong, and all you have is a grainy video of someone you'll never catch. It's frustrating, right? Your home deserves better than a passive observer. Drop a comment if you've ever wished your camera could actually fight back. Picture this. It's midnight, you're exhausted from another stressful day, and suddenly your phone buzzes with yet another false alert from a passing car. Or worse, you miss the real threat because you've tuned out the noise. The anxiety builds, deadlines pile up, and now you're losing sleep over home security too. Imagine if there was a smarter way to take control without the chaos. Meet the SimpliSafe Outdoor Security Camera Series 2, the breakthrough that doesn't just record intruders, it actively sends them running. Here's a real story. A homeowner spotted someone checking car doors at 2 a.m. Before the intruder could touch anything, the camera's motion-activated spotlight blazed on, the 90-decibel siren screamed, and the perpetrator fled instantly. That's the power of active deterrence. This isn't your typical passive camera. With advanced AI person detection, it distinguishes between actual threats and harmless motion, like swaying trees or passing cars. No more alert fatigue. The 1080p HD video with color night vision captures crystal clear details, even identifying clothing colors in total darkness. The 140-degree ultra-wide field of view means zero blind spots. Plus, with optional Active Guard outdoor protection, SimpliSafe's trained security agents can see the intruder through your camera, speak to them directly, and request priority police dispatch. Keep reading. There's a bonus trick at the end about maximizing battery life that most people miss. The benefits go beyond just catching criminals. This camera transforms how you protect your space. One tech influencer said, "I've tested dozens of outdoor cameras, and the installation was by far the easiest. The people-only detection is spot on. I only get alerts when someone is actually walking up the driveway." A home security expert noted, "The integration is where this camera truly excels. Its ability to be triggered by other sensors creates a genuinely smart and automated ecosystem." Real users rave about the efficiency. "We've had this for 6 months through rain and snow. Battery life is impressive. We've only charged it once." The two-way audio with noise cancellation lets you warn package thieves, greet delivery drivers, or tell intruders they're being recorded, all from your phone. The magnetic mount makes charging ridiculously simple. Just pop it off. No ladder gymnastics required. Industry analysts confirm faster police response through video verification cuts false alarm fines significantly. Thousands are already experiencing this peace of mind. See why they can't stop talking about it. Which feature would save your day? The siren, the AI detection, or the color night vision? Comment below and let us know. Don't let another night pass feeling vulnerable. Join the thousands who've already leveled up their home security with the SimpliSafe outdoor camera. Stock moves fast, especially during peak security seasons. Don't wait and risk missing out. Secure yours today and experience the difference between watching crime and actually preventing it. Click now to unlock exclusive setup tips that maximize your camera's performance, including the solar panel trick that keeps it charged indefinitely without lifting a finger. Transform your security. Take action now.